Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is B. Today I'm bringing you a very special treat. We are going to make Chiktay today, aka Haitian Caviar. Let's jump right in and get busy. All right, here are the ingredients. We are going to use, of course, smoked herring. I already shredded the smoked herring, okay? So if you need to see how I do that, there is a video on my channel that shows you how I prep the smoked herring, okay? And I have, all colors here of the peppers. I'm gonna use the whole onions, hot pepper, shallot. I'm gonna use all of that, and we are going to add a little bit of parsley and thyme, pepper flakes, because guess what, those are not hot. And some smoked paprika, okay? And I'm gonna cut up all these onions and peppers, and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, let's go. Now, the secret, the most important thing when you're making Chiktay is having enough oil. Okay? Now, the quantity of the oil will depend on how much smoked herring you have. Don't be stingy with the oil. Now, if you don't put enough oil in there, your smoked herring will be dry. It's gonna fry and turn dry. This is not what you want. You want it to stay moist. So you need to have enough oil in here. You see, it looks like a lot of oil. It is a lot of oil. But this is going to swallow all the oil, okay? So let's get started. Your oil is hot. Let's put our onions and peppers and everything. Okay? Let's put everything in there. Be careful now. Okay? Put everything. Look at that. Okay? There we go. All right. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. Give it a few. Maybe 1 minute. Become tender a little bit. Okay. All right. And then we're gonna add our smoked herring. Trust me, it's gonna swallow the whole thing. Okay. It's not difficult to make at all. But you see, I cut up everything very, very small. I mean, not very, very small, just small. We are adding our hot pepper. This is for the brave. It's not hot. Don't be scared. I'm not adding all of my parsley yet. Okay? So be patient with this. Let it fry. You see that? There you go. There we go. Then, now it's gonna change color when it's cooked. Okay? And also we're gonna add a little bit of smoked paprika. All right. Since we're doing smoked herring. Okay. And I'm adding a little bit of pepper flakes because I know my pepper is not hot. Okay. Okay, look at that. Okay, we'll just let it fry, let it cook. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone for a few minutes, and we'll come back and check on it. All right, let's check it out. It's been like 5 minutes. Woo! Look at that. Lot of mercy. See? See that? It doesn't take much though. It doesn't take a long time to cook though. See? There you go. Look at that. Let me lower my heat a little bit. It's sticking at the bottom. All right. See that? I'm reducing my heat. Because remember, the smoked herring, I already desalt the herring. Okay, you watch the video. I think I'm gonna put the video for you in the description box here. All right, so you can see it, how I prep the smoked herring. All right. Now, if you feel like you have too much oil in it, okay, you can remove the oil after that before you save it, okay, because we're gonna keep that in a jar, in a glass jar, but you want it to have enough oil in it when you cook it so it doesn't dry up on you, okay? So that's the key. You can always take some out. Last time when I made it, I had to add a little bit of oil because it was not enough. Okay, so now, what I like to do also, even though I already have one onion in here, before I turn off this, I'm gonna add another onion because I like the little, crisp crunch when I'm eating this, okay? So I let it simmer a little bit. We're gonna add a little bit of black pepper here. Okay. Let me taste it to see if I have enough salt in there. Because even though you desalt it, it could still be salty. Let's try that. See what I'm doing? Let me try that. Oh, somebody give me a piece of bread. I gotta try that. Let me grab my other onion. All right, let's check this out. Perfect. All right, so see, as you can see here, I took some of the oil out because now that I have the consistency that I need, I took the excess oil out, okay? Last time I didn't have to do that, to take the excess oil out because I didn't put, that much oil in it, okay? So now, I'm adding some more onions, like I said earlier, because I just like some red onion here. I just like the crunchiness. I'm also adding the parsley. All right, adding that, and I tested it. It's not hot. You see all that pepper that I put in there? Nothing. Unbelievable. It is not even hot. So what I'll do, even the mama Haiti, I'm gonna put in there, is not hot. But it has a nice flavor though. See that? It's not hot. So I'm gonna put more pepper flakes because I know this thing is hot. So because Chiktay is supposed to be hot, you know. Can't eat Chiktay that is not hot. So you see, this is the amount of oil I remove. Okay, and you need a little bit of oil left in there because that's what's gonna preserve it. Okay, in the fridge. All right, so you don't want to remove everything. Okay, and the thing is with having your Chiktay already pre-made is whenever, let's say you want to make a little bit of sauce, you know, you already have this already made, so it's easy. If you want to make some pâté cordé with arancon, okay, you already have that already made. If you need a quick snack, you can just heat this up and then grab a piece of bread and you're good to go, you know. So that's why I like having that in the fridge already pre-made. All right, so it saves you so much time when you want to make something else with it. If you want to make some maï moulé, you know, you just do that. Okay, so we need a little bit of oil left on top for that will help preserve it in the fridge. Okay, you don't want to remove everything. It's a matter of choice. If you don't like that much oil, you can still remove more. Okay, no big deal. All right, so here's the Chiktay. I'm gonna let it simmer a little bit, you know, and that's about it. Okie dokie. Hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty. The last thing I'm going to add in here, look at that. The last thing I'm going to add is a little bit of vinegar. Just a dab, which is going to elevate the taste a little bit. Okay. If you don't have the vinegar, you can add a little bit of lime juice. Okay. It's gonna help. You know. The poisson, yeah, don't forget, it's still a fish. Need a little bit of acidity in there. You know. All right. I'm gonna toast some bread. And I'm gonna have a slice. Oh God, this is so good. This smells so good too, guys. All right, I'm excited about this. Woo! And if you have some plantain, oh yeah, c'est un petit bon en figue. Moi, j'avais un petit lame véritable. Oui! Ah! Oui! Où tout y était tout là-dedans? Okay. I think that's it. Let me get me some bread. Yeah. All right. So I get some bread that I warmed up in the oven. Okay, so now, woo, it's hot. We cut it a little bit. Yes. Good. Okay, so now I'm trying to plate this for you now. Okay, the bread is hot. That bread is hot. So let's see. Trying to be fancy here. My bread is too soft here. Look. So we're gonna plate it like this. Alright. Now, if it was a baguette, you know, that would make more sense. What we'll do, we'll work with what we have. There we go. Yes, that will do. That will do. There we go. All right. So there you have it. Right. You have your Chiktay. That's a nice snack that I'm gonna be enjoying in a few minutes. Okay. I'm gonna have that with some lemonade. And I'm gonna sit down and watch a nice movie. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. So again, today we made some Chiktay. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, welcome. Don't forget to do so. Give a thumbs up and don't forget to share. If you're on Facebook, follow, love, and share. Now, for my returning subscribers and returning followers, thank you so much. Again, guys, this was our Chiktay, Haitian Caviar, and I will see you at the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.